Hello gardeners and my fellow plant lovers. In the last video I said I'm going to show you another type of vegetable. Guess what this vegetable is? If you know this vegetable, write it in the comment below. Let's have the name of this vegetable. You might give it your English name, and you can also call it the name is being called here in Nigeria. If you know this vegetable, I want you to guess, and if you guess right, fine, but if you doesn't guess right, it's still vegetable. But let's rub mind. Is this a lecture room? We are doing lecture, so I want you to name it. Let's know what the name is, so that we know if we are actually familiar with our vegetable right here in Nigeria. We know we have different variety both in Nigeria and outside there, but we want to go local. We want to name this thing based on what everybody know it to be in Nigeria. Let's put it this way, in your own part of Nigeria, your area in Nigeria, what name did you call this vegetable? What is the name of this vegetable? Right, if you know the name, write it in the comment below, so that we will know what you call this vegetable in your area. So in the next video, we will then know, I will now teach you, or we'll now talk about how to grow them, because knowing the name alone, seeing it without growing them is not ideal. It's not the proper way, because how do you know vegetable and you don't know how to grow them? It's not beneficial. You are just knowing them. If you can, I know what you'll be thinking, but I can buy them in the market, fine. But I'm encouraging you to do this thing, plant it by yourself, so that next time you have enough of them, that money you will use to buy this vegetable, I will tell you the truth, you can use it to plant this whole vegetable and you still have balance. Yes, hear me right. With 1,000 naira you can plant this vegetable and you harvest them very well, and you enjoy harvesting them. You enjoy just 1,000 or less than 1,000. This vegetable can be planted. I know what the question you are asking me, or what you are thinking of. 1,000 vegetable like this? Yes. Where space is premium in Lagos, yes, you can do it. That is why I have been talking about container gardening. With container gardening, you can plant this vegetable with less than 1,000. I will break down how you will spend the money. One, container. You can get a container. And I know the question or what is in your mind. Container is very expensive. See this presenter, this YouTube presenter doesn't know what is not really conversant with what is going on in the country. Yes, you can plant it in container. We have different type of container, of course. We have terracotta, we have plastic container, we have even polythene bag. Imagine, I remember years ago when I wanted to plant this, not even years ago, because years ago my economy was a bit better. I remember 2 weeks ago I wanted to plant this in my garden at the backyard. I bought the polythene bag, 100 naira for one. 100 naira. I bought 3. That is 300 naira. Remove 300 naira from 1,000. It still remains 700. We are moving forward. Then I got the soil, but the question now is, presenter, maybe I can use soil from anywhere? No way. You cannot just use soil. Soil from the garden, like this our normal garden, It's too hard for container plants. You use what we call potting mix. We call it potting mix. You can get it from the garden center or from the all these local gardener. You can buy potting mix worth 500 naira. 500. So how much have we spent so far? 800. But I know what you are thinking of. What will the remaining 200 naira do? And I said less than 1,000. You go to the market and buy seed. They are not costly. You can even see seed of 100 naira. If you discuss with the woman that is selling or people that are selling the seed, they can give you seed for 100 naira. How much is that? That's 900 naira spent. Then you start planting. As long as your soil is nutritious, has a good manure, all that things mixed together, you don't have a problem. You have started growing your seed, and this vegetable in a very short period of time you'll be harvesting them. Then the question is, how then do I plant the vegetable? We have all the things that we needed. How do I plant vegetable? You can plant this class or lecture is not meant for the planting of vegetable. It is meant, I just want to let you know that you can plant this type of seed or plant this type of vegetable with just like less than 1,000. In the next lecture, I am going to discuss how we are going to plant this vegetable. I will buy all those things I told you. We'll all sit down together, plant this thing, and in a very short period of time, before, what do you see? You will see that you will going home, you will be having your seed, having your plant that is booming and busting everywhere. And that is the joy of gardening. You see what you have labored for, or your effort, you see it, you enjoy it, and after enjoying it, is a very good thing to you'll be happy, and possibility come that you sell it out to the people, as this Mr. Debo have been selling to thousands of people. So thank you for watching this video on how to plant this vibrant vegetable with less than 1,000 naira. You plant all this. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and like this video. Share it. We all need container gardening or gardening. Share it so that your neighbor will enjoy it too. Who knows? This might be a breakthrough to him, to that your neighbor. A breakthrough, all this cost of things that is high. A breakthrough to that your neighbor. Thank you for watching once again. I will see you in the next video on how pollinator like butterflies and other insects are beneficial to our plant. Thank you once again. See you in the next video.